Friends, ever feel like you're spending more time juggling apps than actually getting work done? Different formats, endless switching between programs, and too much time managing files can make even simple tasks feel overwhelming. I'm Daniel, and in today's video, we're going to see how OnlyOffice can make your workflow faster and smarter. You can summarize large files in seconds, get the main points from multi-page contracts, and even search across several documents, all without wasting time. OnlyOffice brings all your everyday office tools into a single, streamlined workspace. Instead of juggling different apps, you can work on documents, presentations, PDFs, and forms in a single free platform that runs on all major operating systems. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Guys, OnlyOffice is a powerful all-in-one office suite for working with documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs. It makes creating and collaborating easier than ever. Everything stays fully compatible with Microsoft Office formats, so you don't have to worry about formatting issues. The tool also includes built-in AI features to help you generate content from scratch. It can quickly summarize large files and find exactly what you need across multiple documents. You can even connect your favorite model for extra flexibility, giving you smart tools without locking you into a single system. Free to install on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It's a practical solution for anyone who wants more flexibility and efficiency in their work. Friends, OnlyOffice includes all the main tools you need for daily work. There's a word processor for documents, a spreadsheet, a presentation tool, and a PDF editor. It also has other tools like a form creator and a diagram viewer. You can use it on both desktop and mobile devices, and it works on any system. Let's go ahead and download and install it. Before we can start using AI, you'll need to connect the model you wanted to use. Don't worry, you only have to do this once. This makes switching between different projects or providers seamless. Guys, this is what the interface looks like. The part we're interested in is the agent, where you can pick your provider from a list. OnlyOffice doesn't come with its own AI system, and it doesn't force you to use any specific one. You get to choose which to connect, either through an API or even locally. For this example, I'm going to use OpenAI. Later, you can add other models or even integrate a web search engine like Exa to enhance your workflow. Heads up, folks! Some AI providers require a paid API key, but you can also use free models like Ollama, LM Studio, and GPT-4All. And just like that, folks, our first model is connected. You can also hook up other ones or work through an MCP server. Now we're ready to start a new chat and see what artificial intelligence can do inside OnlyOffice. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Mates, let's start with the easiest thing, creating a text document. I just tell it what I need, and it takes care of the structure, headings, and text for me. You can see it opens a new docx and writes everything straight into the document. We'll let it finish, but you can already see the structure taking shape. Numbered lists, bullet points, headings, and conclusions are all there. Next, let's make a form, like a birthday cake recipe form. The tool runs, opens the generator, and once we give it access, we've got a ready-to-use PDF. You can customize it further if you want, adding checkboxes, drop-downs, or other interactive elements. Now, folks, let's create a presentation with 5 slides. I just tell the AI what I want, and the generator gets to work automatically. It even takes care of the slide layout and design, so everything is ready to go. It chooses suitable fonts and colors, saving you a lot of time. Next, let's upload the document into the system. Imagine this is a real multi-page contract. Instead of reading the whole thing myself, I just ask the AI for a quick summary. It tells me what the agreement is about, the main responsibilities, and the key points to watch. The AI pulls out all the crucial information in seconds. You can even ask for highlights of specific sections or clauses to make decision-making faster. I ask it to find and summarize specific sections, like the payment terms, and it lists them clearly. So, friends, you can see that AI in OnlyOffice isn't just for generating text. It can also analyze real documents, contracts, and reports. This makes it a powerful tool not only for creating content, but for reviewing and managing important work files efficiently. Folks, as you see, OnlyOffice isn't just another office suite. It's a full workspace for spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, and forms. With its AI agent, you can generate content and summarize long files. You can also highlight key points and search across multiple documents in seconds, saving time and effort. The best part is the control you get. You decide which AI to connect, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, or a local model for privacy. Everything stays flexible, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you can even try it online before installing. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.